So over here, you can see that I have all of the contacts yeah, of TutorTube channel at gmail.com right here. And let's say what you want to do is you want to group out certain contacts so that you can easily access them. So in order to do that, you can create a contact list. So once you go to contact, onto all contact right here, just like this, I can go around and click on the drop down button right here. And here you can see that new contact list is an option. And if I were to go around and click right here, then I can simply make a new contact list. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say groups of TutorTube right here, just like this. Once I do that, I can go around and select out the contacts, as you can see right here. So whatever contacts I have, I can simply go around and select it. I can also go around and type in my own contact right here. Like, let's say, for example, I'm going to say test@outlook.com. just like this, and then I can go around and add it out over here as well. So let's see, this is for a sample purpose right here, just like this, and click on create. And once I do that on the all contact list, you can see that you get the contact list right here. You can also go around and then add in new contact list as many times as you want. So over here you can see that this is what you have. It says group of TutorTube right here, and there's 5 email addresses over here. And if I were to click on send email, then groups of TutorTube simply goes around and pops up right here, as you can see. So that is what you have. So now if I were to go for Z right here in the email section as well, you can see that groups of TutorTube actually pops up right here, and that refers to the 5 email addresses. So whenever you're trying to send out email to a group of people, you can simply type in groups of TutorTube, and these 5 email addresses will simply be used, and you don't need to select individual contact every time. And that is how you can create out contact list and use it inside of Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.